Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back from work right now. I'm super tired. I moved in yesterday. Today will be the first day that I get to spend in my house. I was with my sister. We only arranged things here and there. We didn't put like everything in place. We didn't get to mop the house. So what I want to do right now, I've already put some spaghetti on the fire, so it's cooking up. Then after I rest for like about an hour, I'll start mopping the house. At first I'll do the dishes, then after the dishes I'll mop the house, then I'll do some laundry because I have a lot of clothes that are dirty. I have my curtains that are dirty too. Yeah, come along with me. I hope you enjoy everything. My first day in my new bedsitter, which I'm so excited about. This, you guys, if I tell you, the lighting in this place is just perfect. Like during the day, light just gets to come through the window and the door, like lighting me amazing in this house. Coupled with my tripod, I think that will be fine. Right now it's about 6:30. Why the rain has started, right? Guys, come with me. Let me check on my spaghetti. I eat, rest a little bit, and I'll start doing 1, 2, 3 around the house. So stay tuned.
What comes next? I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
So right now it's 8 p.m. I've already finished washing the dishes. I don't think I'll do the laundry because I'm so tired. I'm going to just soak some of my kitchen towel and I'll also mop the floor because it's so untidy. I'll show that to you. Then maybe tidy up the space a little bit. Then after that I'll take a shower, then go to bed and call it a day. Yeah, let me just do all that real quick. Let me show you what I've done so far. I'm super tired. I think I'm not going to cook. I already ate the spaghetti and I'm still full. Anyways, stay with me up to the very end. Keep me company. Let me show you everything. So this is the kitchen area. I don't have, like, look at this soap dish and the soap over there. I don't have anywhere to put the steel. We'll normally put it inside a container, but I don't have a container right yet to put water inside it so that it doesn't rust. I don't have that right now, but I'll look for it later. My dish soap, liquid soap, water. Then those are the utensils that I've already washed, and the kitchen towels are up there. These are the kitchen towels. I'm going to just wash them. Let me remove them from here. These are not washed. These are wall hangings. So let me take the kitchen towels. I'm just going to soak them tonight and leave them. I'll wash them in the morning when I wake up before I go to work. So here they are. This is how my house looks. Don't mind, everything is just so scattered. Look at where I've left my steel wool. This is my steel wool, guys. Look at this table. All this is just that, so I have to wipe that. Then I have my cooker over here. So yeah, that's it. I'll have to clean it. My gas over there. That place looks like that. Then I have my toilet over there. I'm not going to clean it today. My closet is arranged. I'll not do anything with it. Let me just put this in its place. It goes up here. it stays up there. I don't like that curtain over there. I have a white one, so I'll wash the white one, then replace it over there. To this side, I have this luggage that I came with from home today. I've not unpacked yet. Then my bed is over there, so messy. Then I have my working area. I do have a hair bonnet business and I do make them by myself, so I have my machine over there. And then there's this ball of threads over here. Don't mind, this is my duvet. I had hanged it yesterday. It didn't dry so well, so I didn't want to put it on the bed. Then over here I have my bonnets. All my bonnets, my scrunchies are in here. So yeah, let me start mopping the house right now. Let me just mop and arrange the house. Almost everything apart from the laundry. I'm just going to enter into the shower and I'll go to bed. I don't have a shower cap, so I'm going to use my bonnet. I do make these bonnets and I'm thinking, why not make shower caps? Because the shower caps that are being sold on the streets are kind of they're small. I can't put like all these hair in the shower cap na maji isiende kwa nywele. So I'm thinking of introducing shower caps in my shop. What do you think? At Beyote Accessories. Kindly go there, get a bonnet or two and scrunchies. Shower caps are loading soon, very soon. So yeah, let me go take a shower then. It's time to rest. I'm so tired. It's 8:52, almost 9, and I haven't oiled my face. It's so cracky. I don't like oiling myself at night. I don't know why, but I know it's not advisable, but I just don't like. I love like when I go to bed, I'm just all dried out. My face is in a breathe. I don't like to apply all those oils. Anyways, I'm super tired. I feel so cold. I'm happy I've done almost everything, just the laundry which I've not done, but anyways, that's fine. I'll do it another day. As of now, I'll just have to rest because I have a long day tomorrow at work. So thank you for staying with me to this point, and if you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe to my channel, comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in another video, right?